Dave is a sales manager of a 12-people team, distributed in 4 geographical areas. Every week he receives data from the teams, that he reviews and shares back with the teams. With Askdata, Dave can put the turbo on his process. Dave has connected the datasets to Askdata, and is ready to ask. He wants to know how the teams are doing. Let's ask, how much did my sales team sell in the last week? And here it is the answer. Askdata can handle complex queries too. Show me the conversion trend in the last quarter in Florida. And here we have the data card. Let's see how teams work on Askdata. Dave created feeds for each team, and invited the team members to view and collaborate. Dealing with data can be overwhelming. Askdata empowers everyone to easily explore data, be more productive, and collaborate with other team members.
If you work with data, you need Askdata. Visit askdata.com.